everyone, welcome to Vaish Courses YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about why Taliban has banned the foreign currency and what does it means for the Afghanistan economy and what are the implications on the Afghan economy on this move. So we will be discussing about this video. So before starting the video, I will tell you or I will remind you that please subscribe to the channel if you are the new one to this channel. We'll be giving the regular news updates, and in future we'll be providing some other courses in this channel as well. So keeping this in mind, please subscribe to the channel, like the video if you liked it, share it with your friends, and give your feedback in the comment section. So let's start the video. So even as the Afghanistan grapples with the crippling financial crisis, as we know there is a financial crisis in Afghanistan that is going on. Even in this financial crisis also, on Tuesday, what did Taliban do is they have banned the foreign currencies in the country. So this move is to cause a further disruption to the economy. It will obviously cause a disruption to the economy of the Afghanistan. The economic situation and the national interest in the country requires that all Afghan use Afghan currency in their every trade. So for every trade which they are doing in the Afghanistan, they have to use the Afghan currency itself. They have banned the totally foreign currency. So this surprise movement took place on Tuesday. They have announced on Tuesday, and after the coordinated gun and bomb attack. So after this attack, they have announced it on the Tuesday. On Afghanistan, biggest military hospital in the capital Kabul killed at least 19 people and wounded dozens men. So this incident took place. After that, there is a announcement to ban the foreign currency. So since the terrorist group seized control of the country nearly 3 months ago, the national currency, the Afghani, has depreciated heavily. So because of the terrorist group seized control, the Afghan currency's value has depreciated very heavily. This comes at the time when the withdrawal of the international financial support has severely strained the economy. So when the international financial support is ceasing or withdrawing, this time this Afghanistan currency is getting depreciated. So what did actually Taliban say? So on Tuesday, when they announced this, they made a surprise announcement banning the use of the foreign currency across the country. The terrorist organization urged everyone from shopkeepers to the business owners to conduct all the transactions by using the national currency, that is their Afghani currency. So the Islamic Emirates instructs all the citizens of the Afghanistan that the shopkeepers, the traders, the businessmen, the general public need to conduct all the transactions in the Afghanis, and they have to strictly refrain from using the foreign currencies, they said in the statement. Okay, so why actually is this ban? Like, why did they ban the foreign currency? So the Taliban's latest move comes at the time when the country is facing a drying up of foreign aid. Okay, when there is a foreign aid is getting decreased, they are doing this move. The terrorist group has pushing for the release of the billions of the dollars of overseas reserves, which have been frozen by the United Nations and other countries even since it violently seized power in Afghanistan over 2 months ago. They have seized the power in the Afghanistan, but their reserves are frozen. The foreign reserve, the overseas reserves of US and other countries are frozen in the country, so they wanted to take this move. In fact, earlier grants financed about 3/4 of the country public spending. So the Mujahid, the spokesperson of Afghan, is telling that the use of foreign currencies have negative effects on the country's economy. So trade must be conducted using the Afghan currency in the national interest. So they are banning this. So according to the Taliban, anyone who is found violating this order will face a legal action. They will face a legal action if they violate this rule given by them. So, what will happen to the Afghan economy after taking this move? So, it is still unclear how the Taliban will enforce this new rule, particularly as the country has relied heavily on the US dollars for conducting trade for more than 2 decades. So, from more than 2 decades, they have relied on the US dollar. So, now we cannot say how they are going to conduct these rules and regulations. According to the Bloomberg report, About two-thirds of the Afghan bank deposits has the half of the country's national loans are in the US dollars itself. So in some parts of the country, that is Afghanistan country, especially near the international border, even Pakistani rupees. So we know that Pakistan and Afghanistan are neighbors at the Pakistani border also. Pakistani rupees also are useful in the trade. So business owners and traders have preferred using dollar to pay for importer goods and services, as well as the larger transactions such as purchasing a home. Okay, the ban is also likely to further complicate the process of receiving humanitarian aid from the overseas. As they are facing the humanitarian crisis, it is very hard to receive the aid from the foreign. So some fear that there just isn't enough for a Afghan currency. So the enough amount of Afghan currency is also not present in order to trade with the domestic currency. Those working in the finance ministry and central bank told that the previous government failed to print enough local currency before the Kabul fall in August. So the enough currency is also not printed. So the current, what is the humanitarian crisis which is faced by the Afghanistan currently is, the country is currently dealing with the severe drought. There is a severe drought which has destroyed most of its wheat crop and caused a spike in the prices. Afghanistan healthcare system is also struggling to stay afloat amid cutbacks in the international aid. About 22.8 million people, more than half of the country's population, is marching to starvation due to the acute food insecurity. This is told by the World Food Program. So this is the humanitarian crisis which is facing by the Afghanistan now. So in this situation, banning the foreign currency is not good because they may not receive the foreign aid for the humanitarian crisis. So you can see the food crisis. In the 2018, there was only some parts which are highlighted in red are facing the humanitarian crisis. But if you see the trends in the November 2021 to March 2022, the humanitarian crisis or the food crisis in the Afghanistan will be almost the whole country will face the food crisis. This is map which is representing it. The last map you can see. So that is it for today's video. I hope so you have enjoyed the video. So we'll be discussing more interesting topics in the next lectures. Okay, please subscribe to the channel, give your comment feedback in the comment section, and share it with your friends and your family members too. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Take care.